How to fix OneDrive error code 0x8004e4bf in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check the internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent OneDrive from reaching the cloud, and switching to a stronger connection might restore access to your files. Disconnect from your current Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Connect to a different network or reboot your router for a fresh signal. Open OneDrive and attempt to sign in. If successful, troubleshoot your original network's stability. If that didn't work, outdated security protocols can block OneDrive's communication, and activating modern TLS versions ensures the app can connect securely. It's recommended to keep only TLS 1.2 and 1.3 enabled. Click Apply and then OK. Restart your computer. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Reset Windows socket. Network glitches can disrupt OneDrive's ability to sync, and resetting the Windows socket refreshes the system's internet connectivity framework. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 4. Update OneDrive. An outdated app version might struggle with server compatibility, and installing the latest update ensures alignment with current standards. If the latest version listed there matches with the one on your app, you are up to date. If the version does not match, simply click on Download OneDrive for Windows, follow the installation instructions, and it will install the latest version on your device.